Want to turn your Telegram channel into a mini marketplace, offering seamless Stripe payments directly within your chats? Let's get started. First, you'll need a Telegram bot. Search for Botfather within Telegram. Start a chat and follow the instructions to create a new bot. Botfather will provide you with an API token. Keep this safe. Next, head over to Stripe and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Navigate to the developer section. Here, you'll find your API keys, both publishable and secret. Now comes the technical part. You will need to write code in your preferred language, such as Python or Node.js, to connect the Telegram bot API to the Stripe API. Use your Telegram bot API token and Stripe API keys to authenticate the connection. Within your code, design the checkout flow. This means creating the messages your bot will send, including product details, prices, and that crucial Pay with Stripe button. When a user clicks the button, use Stripe's checkout sessions to securely collect payment information. This ensures PCI compliance and a smooth checkout experience. Before launching, rigorously test your bot. Send test payments, check for errors, and ensure the entire flow works as expected. Finally, deploy your bot. Now, you can accept Stripe payments directly through Telegram, opening up exciting possibilities for sales and customer interaction. Don't forget to subscribe for more bot building tips.